Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at 7 of the best free accounting software for small business. Now, all of the different accounting software mentioned in today's video is all available 100% for free, and there are some caveats with some of the different software and things to keep in mind, but the accounting aspect of them are all 100% for free. So that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. What are the best free accounting software solutions for your small business? And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the number 1 spot in this list. At the number 1 spot, we have Wave. Now, Wave Accounting, also provided as Wave Apps, so Wave Financial offers accounting software as well as a few other different solutions with their software. Now, in order to sign up for them, it is 100% for free. As you can see here, you can track your income, payments, cash flow, everything, income and expenses as well. And it's a great place for money management for small business owners. I've personally used Wave, and it is a great software to use, and it's 100% for free to use. And the only thing to keep in mind is that, of course, well, how do all these different softwares, the accounting companies, offer this software for free? Is that they do have other services that they offer, sort of like an upsell in order to pay for the service, but you don't even necessarily have to use that. It's there and something just to keep in mind, but you don't have to use that. The actual accounting software itself is free to use. As you can see here, you can track your income and expenses. They do also offer payroll and banking services as well on Wave. And as you can see here, it's built whether you're a freelancer, a self-employed entrepreneur, consultant, contractor. In terms of how much does Wave cost, as you can see here, the accounting aspect of Wave for Wave Accounting is available for free. Same with their invoicing and banking services. The payments is pay per use, the payroll is monthly, and advisors, they have plans available. But the actual accounting software itself is free to use. So just bear that in mind if you're interested in also utilizing their invoicing services or their banking services or any of their other paid aspects of what they have to offer. And this is something that you'll find common across a lot of these different accounting softwares or financial software companies, is that they offer the free accounting to kind of get you in the door, and then they do have other services that they do try to upsell you on. But the actual accounting software is completely for free and available, and it is a pretty solid accounting software as well. And that's why Wave is at the number 1 spot in this list. They really are a good competitor and do stand up well against a company like QuickBooks as well if you're comparing different accounting software and solutions. And you're definitely going to save a lot of money if you are good with using Wave. And that's why they are at the number 1 spot in this list of free accounting software. Moving in at number 2, we have Zoho Books. Now, Zoho Books, one thing to bear in mind with this free accounting software solution is that you do, if you take a look at the pricing page here, it is limited for businesses with revenue under 50,000 USD per year. So if you're making under 50,000 per year, then cool, you can use this accounting software for free. Again, if your business has revenue underneath that $50,000 a year threshold, if you're below that, then great. You can use Zoho Books. It's another great free accounting software solution. Again, that's the only caveat that it has. But besides that, they're at the number 2 spot in this list because Zoho really is just an all-encompassing company with a lot of different software solutions, and you can utilize their Zoho Books in order to track your cash flow, track your accounts receivables, payables, do your overall bookkeeping and accounting with Zoho Books. As you can see here, it's end-to-end accounting, they have tax compliance, and it's an integrated business platform. So down the road, if you wanted to upgrade and use some of their other features, Zoho Books also plugs into all the other software that Zoho has to offer. So you could use Zoho Books for free, and then, hey, maybe later down the road, you decide to use some of their other software. You can choose to do that. You also don't even have to either. But Zoho Books is a great option just for free accounting software. They do also have some other features that come along with it as well if you're interested in that. As well, which is really nice to offer, is that they do have quite a bit that comes with just their free version. As you can see here across the different features, you have receivables, payables, inventory, banking, time tracking, contacts, and different reports as well built in. Now, some of the features, of course, if we go into the pricing, as you can see here, some of the features are only available in their paid versions, but you do at least get all these different features, even just in the free version. You have one user plus one accountant. You can manage your clients. Of course, you can feel free to dive into this more if you want to learn more about Zoho Books, but they are a great free accounting software option, and that's why they're at the number 2 spot in this list. Again, Zoho Books. Moving in at number 3, we have accounting, or Akauntting. Accounting, get it? It's kind of like a play on words there. So this is another free accounting software solution that is available. It is a free open source solution, and it's an online accounting software, again, for small businesses and freelancers. As you can see here, it's a free bookkeeping software. You can also do invoicing as well, and expense tracking, and just regular traditional accounting. So accounting has all the tools to manage your money for free. As you can see here, there is a free open source software. So, that's a nice aspect, at least if you're interested in that. And it is online as well, so you can manage things no matter where you're at. So that's one nice thing about all these top 3 solutions, is they are also online. So they do have the cloud ability to manage it from different computers or their apps as well. A lot of these different companies do have finance apps, so you can track your accounting on the go as well if you're interested in that. Again, it is completely free. There is no limited or trial version. This is a completely free accounting software. I will leave links down in the description box below to all these different softwares as well if you're interested in checking out any of them as well. But accounting is another good option. Again, they are free, open source online accounting software. You can track your cash flows, your profit and loss, account balances, again, receivables, payables, and really manage everything you would need within an accounting software. And they are free to use. Again, that's why they make it on this list at that number 3 spot. Moving along, at number 4, we have ZipBooks. Now, ZipBooks, similar to accounting, is again another free software solution that you can use to manage your accounting for your small business. They also include invoicing and billing as well if you want to send invoices. They do also have various different smart insights and reports to help you track different profitable customers and get paid quickly, and just general overall business intelligence and better data for tracking your overall setup. So the nice thing with ZipBooks as well, for bookkeeping tasks, as you can see here, they do have income statements that you can track as well, managing your transactions and adding different tracking purposes to each of the different transactions that you have in here. As you can see, you also have different business health and business overall insights as well, which is nice. You can also add your little logos to your invoices too, to send nice little invoices. As you can see here, they have a great overall product suite when it comes to connecting your bank information, doing your time tracking, tagging things, team management, and mobile accounting as well. So you can also manage your business on the go. Again, ZipBooks is a completely free software that they have available. If we take a look at the pricing, as you can see, their starter free version is a little bit limited compared to maybe some of the other options in this list. You can only connect one bank account with the free version. And, you can still do a lot of good things, though, with the basic version. I mean, you can send invoices, manage your vendors and customers, accept digital payments as well, whether it be Square or PayPal, and view your basic reports. But again, if you want to do some of the more advanced features, that is in their paid version. So ZipBooks is a little bit more limited, at least in their free version, but it is still great accounting software that you can use within your small business. Moving on, next in this list, we have Brightbook. Now, Brightbook is another online accounting software that is completely for free. And as you can see here, it is available on their website. Free online accounting system. It's web-based, secure, unlimited, and free. No accounting experience required. As you can see here, you can see overall what their charts and tracking looks like within Brightbook, and all you have to do is select the free button there if you want to get signed up with Brightbook. As you can see here, it's an accounting software that should be pretty simple and easy to use. You can add your logo and business and client details. You can create email invoices, log payments, bills, and more within their software. Again, it is a free small business management for online accounting. It's a good option if whether you be a freelancer, again, or contractor, small business, or anyone who wants to take advantage and control over their business finances. Of course, again, it is free to use. So Brightbook, another great option in this list. Moving on, next at the number 6 spot, we have NCH Software. Now, this one's a little bit different because it is actually a downloadable software that you can download onto your computer. Now, this one does have a Windows version that you can download for free. And again, it is free business accounting software. And the thing is, it is only limited for use by small businesses with less than 5 employees. The free version does not expire, but it does not support certain features designed for larger organizations. So you can download the free accounting software version here on their website at NCH Software. It does have invoicing, analysis and reports, accounts payables, and general journal for tracking and reviewing your entries. It is again, a Windows-based software. It does say they also have a Mac version as well. So you have to take a look at the system requirements and see when you download it, how it works for you on your computer. One thing to keep in mind though, is this is limited just as a laptop or desktop version. So you're not going to have access to all the cloud benefits of being able to use it on multiple different computers or using it on an app. This is built for a desktop computer or a laptop. So if you're okay with that, and maybe that's your preference, maybe you prefer software like that. So that's why I included them in this list. Again, they are another good free software solution for business accounting. Now, last but not least in this video, we're also taking a look at Google Sheets. They are not traditionally an accounting software, but they are actually the accounting software that a lot of people start out with as a beginner. It's actually the accounting software that I started in my small business using when I was brand new. And the thing is, it's honestly pretty nice that it's completely for free, of course. Again, there are different templates that Google Sheets does have when it comes to invoicing or setting up your accounting. Again, you can also just do basic, simple bookkeeping, taking a track of your income and expenses and managing that so that you know for when tax time comes, you can easily input your overall income and expenses for your small business. Google Sheets really is a very powerful software, whether it be Google Sheets or even Excel. If you don't need all the fancy aspects of a traditional accounting or bookkeeping software, Google Sheets can be a good alternative option for you. Again, that is completely for free, and it is nice just because of how basic and simple it is. You can either do something super simple with just a basic sheet, or you can also use some templates that you can find online as well that Google Sheets offers, or from different vendors online that offer different accounting software templates built for Google Sheets. It does take a little bit more work depending on if your business is a little bit more advanced, then maybe you're going to want to look elsewhere. But if your business is fairly basic and you don't have that many transactions, then Google Sheets could still be a really great option. And that's why I included them in this list because, hey, I personally use them for a long time and they still really are a great software for keeping track of budgets and your overall expenses and your income in your business overall. They're a great financial software because they are just an open box. You can use them however you want to keep track of things in a Google Sheet. Again, as you scroll through here, you can also opt to use Excel if you're into Excel. Same difference really as Google Sheets. And as you can see here, they do have different templates that are built in, such as invoicing, if you're interested in that as well. It's not as, it doesn't connect to all your different bank accounts and all that unless you have some, if you don't need the advanced aspects of regular other accounting software and solutions. It's good if you're just down for the basics. But guys, that pretty much wraps up this video here of the 7 best free accounting software. I do also have another video going over some of just the best accounting software overall that's both free and paid. I will leave a card here, so if you want to go and check out that video, you go ahead and check out that video as well if you want to learn more just about overall best accounting software. This has been the best free accounting software. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.